Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sarah Amabel Talukder from the Philippines. I'm married to a Bangladeshi national for almost 40 years. I have registration, professional registration in Saudi Arabia, Philippines, and the USA, and worked for almost 29 years in 2 university hospitals and the main military hospital in Riyadh. Since my husband and I retired from our job, I tried to scout for an eye hospital where I can continue my retina check regularly. So my daughter, who is also a doctor, introduced me to Dhaka Eye Care Hospital. I was hesitant at first upon seeing the facility, but I changed my mind. Like the saying goes, don't judge the book by its cover. Dhaka Healthcare Hospital is typically a small facility, but it has a trove of medical equipment, state-of-the-art equipments and instruments, and highly skilled staff and support group and support staff, from the guy who opens the door for you and the doctors and nurses and other staff who makes you feel not only as a patient but also a human being. There is a feeling of courteousness, kindness, and good vibes, professionalism, and good vibes upon setting your foot inside. Also, it is so neat and clean that you don't smell any hospital scent. So Dr. Kaushik Chaudhary started my journey for retina check, and last December, she discovered 2 immature cataracts on both of my eyes. This is normal occurrence for diabetic patients like me. So he advised me to have it removed and referred me to Dr. Harun-ur-Rashid. So I booked an appointment under Dr. Harun-ur-Rashid for phaco emulsification surgery with intraocular lens implantation. The first time I saw Dr. Harun-ur-Rashid, I was taken by his expertise, his knowledge, and his commitment to do and deliver patients' care. So he sent me for some preoperative tests, which I passed except for my sugar level, random sugar level. But he assured me that it won't defer me from having operation because he had operated on patients with higher values than me. But if I could bring it down, that would be beneficial, and I did it. So he gave me choices for lenses, and I have chosen the monofocal plus lens from USA, the one that will take care of my distance and median vision. I'll be using prescription glasses for reading, which is okay for me. So I was booked for a 12 January right eye operation, and 2 days later, 15 January, my left eye operation. So on the surgery day, I was taken to the operating room on foot. I was accompanied by a nurse after taking some medications, some eye drops and saline. And to be honest, I was anxious. When I lie down on the bed, I was so nervous that Dr. Harun told me to focus on the lights above me, on the 3 lights above me that were so bright and so colorful, and not to be worried unnecessarily. And within 10-15 minutes, he told me to invoke Alhamdulillah for a successful surgery done. And so my first painless, bloodless, bandage-free eye operation was over. My second operation after 2 days was a different experience. I was not nervous, but I felt a subtle pain on my left eye when it started. And also I could see the silhouette of Dr. Harun's fingers working on my left eye. And the lights above me that I should focus were black and white instead of colorful ones. I addressed this matter to Dr. Harun, and he told me nothing is the same. Everything is different, and old is gold. These words I pondered for quite some time, to be honest. So my recovery is uneventful. I have to take medication like drops, eye drops, until middle of March, and inshallah, my vision will be restored completely. As of now, like 10 days after the surgery, I could see clearly, much clearly with my eyeglass before. So I would like to thank wholeheartedly to Dr. Harun-ur-Rashid, his team, and the other involved personnel for me, it's a successful operation. And also, I can tell Dr. Harun, sir, that you walk the talk. Anyway, I'll still be in this hospital in the future for my retina check. At the end, I would like to say that I will not hesitate to recommend Dhaka Eye Care Hospital to anybody who has eye problem, eye issues, because as for me, as for my experience, I have found this place to be the best healthcare facility I've been to. Thank you.
ঢাকা আই কেয়ার হসপিটাল, চোখের যত্নে উৎকর্ষের ছোঁয়া।